Hello, guys. This is Lauren, and today is a good day. We are in Tegernsee, Berlin. Um, our goal for today, here is my companion, Ate Merlin. Our goal for today is to visit Dike Marie or Fat Marie tree, the ancient tree here in Berlin. It's about like 900 years old already. So I was here with my family last 5 years ago, and I remember the tree. I want to hug her again. And while going there, I took a few videos on the way, and we found this willow tree leaning or bent over the water, and I think it's beautiful. So I climb and I walk on the tree that is leaning over the water, and it's nice there. If you are with your friends and just love talking, you can just sit on here on the part where I was, and yeah, talking nonsense while waiting for the sunset. So anyway, let's continue walking, and the next segment is here is the Fat Marie tree. Introducing. Only the left part of the tree is still alive. 5 years ago, the right part was still okay, but then now it's dead. The trunk on the right side is dead. Um, I think the tree is also not healthy anymore because the leaves are like not that green. The leaves are somehow yellowing. So maybe because it's near water, maybe the roots are rotting already. And 5 years ago, there was no fence around this tree. You can just hug the tree before, just like you can pass by and take photos, videos. But now they put fences because it's dangerous under the tree already, because the trunks are very old, and it will hurt someone. But then, even though there's a fence, I still manage to go inside and hug the tree. um, I told the tree that she should still uh, live and fight for her life, but if she's already tired, she can take a rest. So anyway, that was my drama, and we're back to the place where we started. Now we are going to the other part of the sea, and maybe find a place to eat our snack, and put our feet in the water. The water here is clean. You can swim. But my feet is tired. You can swim, but of course, Berlin water is cold. But during the high heat of summer, it's okay. And look at this place. You can sit there and watch the sunset. I was here a few years back and watching sunset. And I'm making my video selfie. And Ate Merlin is somewhere making her videos also for Facebook. And yeah, it's nice here, but it's too hot today. And these are cannons from England, I think. They are I think this really from England, and there's a history. What do you call that? Plaque. So yeah, but then I my childish thoughts um, is working. So I asked Ate Merlin to hold my phone to take me a video. I want to ride the cannon. Ate Merlin was laughing about me. So this is Full Metal, guys, and it's so hot. It is so hot. It cooks what it cooks. See, I'm not I was not staying there too long because it's hot. And then we found we finally found a spot where we can put our feet in the water. I was afraid I'm going to become a mermaid. That is Ate Merlin's feet, and that is mine. See, without pedicure, whatever. That's my feet. Cannot change. So it's time to go home. We are in the train. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.